Can Amazon Brand Registry help with utility patent disputes? Yes. For brands with a utility patent, Brand Registry offers a neutral evaluation process within the Report a Violation tool. Currently available only in the US, the Amazon Patent Evaluation Express (APEX) program brings in neutral third-party evaluators who are attorneys skilled in patent analysis to decide whether an asserted utility patent is infringed. The process is an efficient means for utility patent owners and those accused of patent infringement to address the concerns. It is faster than the court system and is free for the party that the evaluator determines is correct. After reviewing the participants' written submissions, the evaluator makes a decision, which Amazon follows. Utility patent disputes handled through this process were decided in an average of 7 weeks, significantly faster than the median time to trial of 2.4 years for a U.S. patent lawsuit.